Hey guys, it's PFC Bird here. I'm home from Afghanistan on R&R. My mom has no idea that I'm home. She thinks I'm on mission in Afghanistan still, so we're gonna go in and surprise her real quick.
Alright, here we go. Everybody ready? She's gonna freak out. She's so gonna freak out. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be freaking awesome. Alright, here we go, girl. You ready? You gonna freak out too? Oh man. 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 Well. Hello.
We were getting ready to sit up.
Told you I was on mission.
Baby, what's that?
It's not nice to do that.
Hey Mom, we were just hoping you didn't have a heart attack when I walked in.
Mom, happy Valentine's Day.
You knew the whole time.
I've known it since what? The end of
December.
Oh, you're kidding me.
I've known since December that I was going on R&R in February.
Well, how long have you been home?
Last night. I flew in to Atlanta yesterday.
You know?
Yeah. Everybody but you and Jenny.
Everybody knew. Well, actually, everybody didn't know. The only ones that knew were them two and Dana. And then Amanda found out last night.
You tell Memo.
I'm the last to find out.
Tell Memo, say, surprise!